Hello everyone and welcome to Miss Creative 47 YouTube channel. I just was up doing centerpieces for a friend of mine and I made a mistake and I noticed that this up under her eye was connected to the face, so that part right there is brown as opposed to it's supposed to be white. So I was just sitting here for about an hour trying to figure out how I was going to um, do something to fix that. So I figured it out. So I already broke it apart because it was a coloring page that I had to just recolor everything myself, from the skin colors to the clothes and everything. So um, now I need to fix this face. So I'm just gonna ungroup everything because everything is separate. Lips, eyes, the bow, the black background, everything is in pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and make another copy of the face by holding Control, clicking V, or you can just right click, copy, right click again and paste. Or you can just click here, copy, paste. Okay, so now I'm going to work with this one first. I'm gonna zoom in and let you see. And my shortcut, some of my shortcut keys does not work for some reason. I have to figure that out why. But we get ready to go and just this. I'm gonna get rid of the face part, but I just need this under the eye. And then I will show you how to get the face back. So I'm going to go to my shape tool and get a circle. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to get my move tool over here. And I'm going to stretch that up and over, behind and under what I need. Okay, I think that's good. I think I should bring that part in just a little bit and maybe this part out because I don't want any of the brown showing. I need to bring this up and out. Okay, now I'm going to group it all together, go over here to my modify tool and do crop. So it's just cropped out the piece that I wanted. So now I can go ahead and change that to white and I'll do no line. So now let's go get, because she has no face now, so we have to go get her a face. And I know I put it in face, another face in here somewhere. I hope I didn't delete it. Okay, here we go. So now that we have the face, we need to get rid of this and just keep the face. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to go get the circle. And I'm going to go ahead and put it down. Get my move tool. Stretch it. And bring it down because I want to make sure that I get as much as the face that I can without leaving any parts of the eye. So I think this is great right there. So get rid of that, go back to my modify. Instead of doing crop, I'm going to do subtract, but I need to move you over here because I need to group it all together. And now I'm going to do subtract. Now it got rid of that piece that I didn't want there, so and it left a little piece here, but we can just go ahead and delete that. I don't need this anymore, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom out, and I'm going to put everything back, her face back right here, and we can adjust everything after we done. And I'm going to put this up under there, and I'm going to tap, and she's done. All I have to do is just go ahead and hold my left button down on the mouse and group her all together by right clicking and group, and she's done. And I fixed her, and now she's ready to print and cut. I have to put my registration marks on. I won't be doing any printing or cutting tonight, but tomorrow I'll be cutting her out and putting her together before Friday. So until then, I'll see you in my next video and have a great night. Bye.